Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful concept. You are not your thoughts. Have you ever wondered who you are, beyond the constant stream of thoughts and emotions? We'll explore this idea together and end with a meditation to help you experience it for yourself. Exploring the concept of the observer. Thoughts, emotions, and reactions are part of our daily experience, but they often operate on autopilot, shaped by past experiences and beliefs. We tend to identify with them so strongly that we forget something essential. We are the observer, not the mind itself. When you step back, you realize that you are the silent witness to your thoughts, not their slave. This shift in perspective can create profound peace and clarity. Guided meditation exercise, observing the mind. Let's try a short 1-minute meditation to experience this ourselves. Visit our website for a free download of the full version. Link in the description below.
Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes and take 3 slow, deep breaths. Let your breath settle into a relaxed, natural rhythm. Now just observe. Wait for a thought to come and notice it without judgment. Simply watch, like a curious observer. When a thought arises, ask yourself, who is thinking this thought? Who is observing it? Notice that there is an awareness observing your thoughts that is separate from the thought itself. This is your true self, the observer.
Reflection on the exercise. As we observe our thoughts, we start to see the difference between the automatic mind and our true self, the silent observer. By practicing this awareness, we gain freedom from automatic reactions and develop the power to choose how we respond to life's challenges. Manifestation as mental training. Manifestation is about training the mind, and awareness is a key part of that journey. The more we can detach from automatic thoughts, the more we align with our highest potential. Stay tuned for more exercises to help you on this path to self-awareness. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this meditation and want to dive deeper into the world of personal growth and manifestation, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video.